step out of your seat and off the surfboard. Have a gnarly day here at SeaWorld.
You just unlocked all the postures. There we go. Yeah, we're fine.
Once in place, hold out on the right arms. And sure, for those of you in line waiting to paddle out, please make sure you stand behind the yellow line.
I heard a little click. I wonder what that little click meant. Makes me wonder. I don't know what that little click meant. Maybe that's the verified position for this ride. Alright, here we go, everyone. We're back. It's time to break the wave with Pipeline, the surf toaster. I couldn't come up with a surf slogan quick enough. And I actually learned a couple of surf tricks while I was on the ride, like this one. Hey, caught me by surprise again. We're floating, everyone. Look, I'm floating. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah, that's another surf trick. Surf trick number 3. Yeah! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! We're gonna swing our feet like this. Woo! Oh wow! And now I'm floating on the brakes. That's not supposed to happen. That was a pretty fun ride. That was a really good ride. It's a ride that grows on you.
Way to escape that barrel. Bring your surfboard up to shore, lift your harness above your head, and carefully step out of your seat and off the surfboard. Have a gnarly day here at SeaWorld.